Introducing the 2019 Honda Ridgeline. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, bed liner, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, pass-through rear seat, tow hitch. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.